Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will try out some new paints that I bought from Pebeo Origin, and it's eco footprint product. And what I read on online is that they are eco-designed high-viscosity paint that are ideal for a huge range of products. A high-quality formula with a matte finish and a rich, dense, nervous texture. This paint allows artists to retain the marks of their brushes and knives. Eco-designed range is formulated by 100% recycled binder, reducing the carbon print by 80% compared to non-recycled binders. They are made from 96 European raw materials. So I don't know, we will see. I will do a reverse flower dip. I didn't do it for a long time, so let's do one again. And for these paints I will use gold, metallic gold, cadmium red middle, carmine red, quinacridone magenta, and Prussian blue, and of course black for my background, and my pearl white mixture for some lacing, hopefully, because I don't know, my paints are mixed with my regular what is wrong with me today? With my regular pouring medium, that is 70% non-eco-friendly Bessner acrylic binder, I assume, and 30% acrylic emulsion. And of course I will use my paper napkin and flower-shaped cup for the flower, and this is just a black canvas 8 by 8 inch one, and I will just pour my base coat down and tilt it back into my cup, that I will have nice smooth surface. Why I'm tilting it back to the cup is to save some paint, and I like to pour a little more paint on because I want nice smooth coverage with no ridges or something, that my paint will flow nice from the cup, of the cup, no, not from the cup. I will just clean this a little bit. Okie doke. And I have quite a lot of paint for the background because paper napkin will pull some of the paint off. That's why you have to have nice thick layer of base coat down. I will use this string to measure the middle, because I want this flower to look kind of mandala-like, even though that I always end up a little sideways. I don't know why. Okie doke, so I will start with some gold. And then my pearl white. And then carmine red. And some pearl white again. And magenta. again, kind of don't see that halo effect. I don't know if this will even produce some lacing. We will see. That's why I wanted to try. As I say, a lot of times, if you don't try, you don't know. Blue. Just want to break those reds with that blue a little bit. I don't know, I could have used black too, but decided to do a blue, and I will do another row. You know, some paints just don't react like others, so I'm kind of worried that there will not be any lacing in this for how it looks now. But we can be surprised. Magenta again. And I will just end up with gold. Okie doke. Let me grab a skewer or something. Have this dotting tool for do this, that makes those petals a little more 3D looking or natural looking, but don't need to do that. Remove the cup. Bring this a little more towards the middle. The napkin will drag the paint towards the middle, so I don't care about that black in the middle too much. It poured really nicely, so I hope that we will get some nice flower from it. Okay? And now I will spray my paper napkin with water to soften it up a little bit. My hands are shaking today. I don't know why. Okay. I will place the middle of the napkin in the middle of the flower. Put it down. I have a lot of full tutorials about this technique if you maybe see this for the first time and you want to know a little more about it. Just search in your browser reverse flower dip Fiona Art and you will find. Okay, now I will gather my 4 corners first. Try to keep it in the middle. And the sides. Wrap it up kind of like a present here in the middle. Told you I'm a little rusty with that. Okay, wrap it up kind of and lift this straight up. And I didn't do it straight up. And for now I don't see any reaction. From my pearl white. Really weird. But as I told you, you never know. You see, just almost no lacing, just around. Really, really weird. So when you are using new paints, I don't know, maybe I should do a thinner mixture that I normally do, or these paints just don't react. And I didn't do a nice job with lifting it, but still it's a flower. I don't want to spin it out because I know that there will not be any big difference. So I will just leave it like it is, let it dry. Just one more touch here in the middle, like that. I'm really surprised that there is almost no reaction. I have to be careful that I will not overheat it. Totally weird. So let me take you down for a close-up. See, almost no reaction. I don't say that I don't like it, don't get me wrong, but it's totally different from my regular reverse flower dips. Maybe you like this even more, I don't know. And my middle is just not okay. Let me just try to press this once more, just to okay. Yeah, I will not be able to show you the dried results today because I'm filming it today on your inauguration date in United States. But let me know in the comments if you want to see it dry. I can show you to you on my next video on Wednesday. Totally different result, but I still like it. So thanks for watching and see you again on Wednesday. Bye!